Alright. Okay, Oreo. Do it.
Gathita,
Ooh.
White Sandile, Rock and Rolla,
This is the worst quality ever.
Cat Rat, Gothorita, Whirlipede,
Oh, sexy.
Ferrothorn,
That's sexy.
Reverse Crocorock, and a Leavan.
Oh, look at that. Missed it.
No
Majestic.
fucking... No catcher. Terrible pack.
It's only a catcher if it's gold now. Otherwise, it's not worth it.
Is that the new pack?
Oh god, please don't hurt me. Please don't hurt me.
I like you, Dakota.
Thank you.
Spike it. Next.
Oh! I had to Korea minute.
Swaddle,
Sweetle.
Vanillite, Pawneard, Shelmet, Tortuga,
Oh my god, the light. So, it's
Garborder,
evil.
and
Garbodor!
Gigalith, and Druddigon.
Dude, that Gigalith is rape. You don't say his name right. You gotta say... What'd you call him?
Garborder.
Garbodor. Call him Garbodor. Garbodor! You gotta say it really enthusiastically. Garbodor.
Play this.
Timber, Dynamo, Algem, Golid, Algem,
Get two L-gems. What up?
Girder,
What up?
Heatmore, Electric, Gilgalith, Leavan.
Oh my god, I want that Gigalith. It's alright. Not really.
It's just reverse.
Yeah. Wait.
Is that his pack or mine?
Yours.
Oh.
Vivani. I like you. Has no... Oh my god, that's like a better Metapod.
Can we get Curium?
I hope so.
Yeah, he didn't get the Mewtwo EX. Neither did I.
Well, I thought you did.
Mindfu,
Exactly.
Yamask, Panseer, Pawneard,
make a statement
Terrablast,
inaccurate.
Eviolite, Swadloon, Durant, Girder, Seismitoad. This is legit. Got the Durant, and Eviolite.
Broken. Look at Isaac over there being a hipster. Is that like the last back? Nick's over there just like hijacking them all. You do the 3-2 trick. I nub. I guess I'll do it too. Just be cool.
Elgem, Golett, Petalil, Blitzel, Fungus, Tirtoga, Garbodor, and
Garbodor.
Crofagrigus. What did Nick pull me?
Nothing good. He didn't spike it.
No, this is the pack he did get. He did spike.
Oh, was it? They're all bent. Fungus.
Fungus, Blitzel, Yamask, Askew. Conkeldurr. The bad Conkeldurr.
The bad Conkeldurr. I got the good one. Was that it for yours?
That's it.